If there's a parent on the fence out there who's wondering, is the nest right for my kid, come visit us.
When I come to work, it is definitely a fun experience. It's never boring, never ever a boring day.
And the kids always seem really happy to have a whole bunch of the student teachers here because they have more people that they can interact with every day. And I think it's a really fun thing.
They're already creative. Sometimes they just need help dragging that creativity out and expressing it.
The nest is one of a kind in my experience, and because your child gets so much one-on-one experience.
Our students really are like learning through play-based learning.
All of the kids that we have here seem to like it a whole lot.
Where they learn about, when they're out in the yard playing and you find a bug, and we start talking about what is a bug.
I would first suggest they come in and take a tour of our facility, look around, spend half a day with us, and you'll grow to love us just like we grow to love you pretty quickly.